You can also visit all the booths. Feel free to use all the tools on the right and left side of your screen. Mahendra, are you trying to connect with somebody?
Yeah, I've sent a request. I mean, I sent an invite, but she is not coming. I
All
can't see the
right.
response.
All right.
I've sent this to Mr. Binoy also. Awaiting response.
How was your experience in lockdown, Mahendra? Tell us.
My experience has been fantastic.
But you have to tell us
With
something about your struggle with food.
no, I don't struggle with food because I'm a good chef.
You're a good chef. Wow.
Yeah, myself. So food is not a problem.
Okay.
Only thing was that we had to stay indoors for quite some
And
time now. It's already
and what
been
about
more
the
than 4 months.
supplies? What about the supplies?
We had
You're
decent
a
supplies from online markets like Easy Day, Grofers, Big Basket.
Hmm.
So didn't face such problems.
We should thank to technology. Everything is still easy in this time. Like I also live alone and it was not very difficult for me to manage all such things. Though my area was in complete lockdown. Like nothing was open.
So it
But
was a containment zone.
yeah. So when Mr. Sudeep was mentioning, no, that the technology always, makes it way to the customer. So I was just thinking about it that even if I was in containment zone, I was getting all the supplies by all these, services from online deliveries.
Yeah,
That's
this
very,
is the same thing if we talk about the virtual shows. This is the new invention in lockdown only.
yeah,
So now we have done quite a few of these shows
yes.
and we are connecting with the customers because we can't meet one to one.
Hmm.
So this is doing it virtually one to one. So this is, I mean, necessity is the mother of invention.
Exactly, exactly,
You see.
exactly.
So this is the new normal, I think,
Hmm.
for the exhibitions happening across the globe. There are big exhibitions happening virtual now.
Hmm.
So I think this is the future. All these exhibition organizers and big entities like FICCI and all, they are doing
Hmm.
all these exhibitions virtually now.
It is, in a way, it is very effective also because without much effort, I can really have a real exhibition experience. Mahendra, you're on mute.
Yeah, I'm saying let me see backstage if Mr. Somnath is there,
All
so we
right,
can start the session.
sure. So, all the visitors will be having our next session in a very short while. If anybody of you wants to join, please raise your hand. We will ask the team to please connect with you. If you want to ask any questions, if you want to share your any story, any perspective about the current scenario in food industry, feel free to reach us.
I think it's coming. In the
Okay.
meantime, I would request all the visitors to visit the exhibitor
Yeah.
booth section. There are plenty of exhibitors who are waiting to see you, and you can network in the lounge area also. There have been some interesting topics and interesting talks by the veterans of this industry. So you can network with them in the lounge area. We'll be having our next session with Mr. Somnath Chatterjee, who is from ITC, and we're just waiting for him to arrive.
Yes. So this is the last session of today.
Yeah, this was the last session.
All right. So we'll be having Mr. Somnath Chatterjee very soon with us.